get your hair like that? Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. For today's video, I'm giving you guys a first impression on some units that was sent to me by Ebonyline. But before we get into all the specs of these units and what I think about them straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so I received two units from Ebonyline.com. They are both from JENNA Collection's new line called Natural Me. The first one I'm going to be talking about is the unit Jenna, which is the one that I have on my head right now. Okay. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B and she does retail for $33.95, so still within that affordable price point for synthetic wigs. This unit does come with ear-to-ear Swiss lace as well as the Swiss lace part. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I would say this unit is between big head friendly and big head associate, just how it's fitting on my head. It doesn't come all the way down onto my hairline, but I also do not have my hair cornrowed under this unit, so that could be the reason why. I did have to go in and unhook the adjustable straps in the back and stretch the cap out just to make sure I had enough room to put this joint down, and it fits pretty comfortably. However, with that being said, I did not put this unit directly onto my hairline, so I just moved it behind my hairline and just, you know, blended it with some concealer and the black pencil to make it blend in a little bit more natural for me. That is pretty much it. However, if you want to wear this unit on your hairline, the unit does come with enough lace and some like natural looking baby hairs that you can kind of swoop them if you want to, or, you know, give them that natural vibe per se. The gap that comes in the front of the hairline looks more natural if it's in the center than it does over here on the side, because it's almost like it was like balding over here on the side. So that's why I went in with my black pencil and just kind of filled that in just a little bit. Now the unit does come in this gypsy 2C to 4C curl pattern, which pretty much gives you that natural hair rod set type of look that we all pretty much chase after and we can never catch. Come here, come here. So I'm definitely feeling the curl on this unit. You can go in and you kind of brush these out a little bit if you want to, if you want your hair to be bigger. However, I feel like the hair is big enough for my face frame. I think as the hair gets older, it will, you know, fluff up a little bit more, and the older the unit gets, the more natural it'll look. So, you know, I'm gonna leave them as is and let them do their own thing on their own time. Okay, now if these curls happen to fall, you need to fix them or, you know, adjust them or whatever. This unit is heat safe up to 360 degrees. I will not tell you to go any higher than that because this does give off like that Kaninkalon type of feeling, but softer. But for my standard, more likely I would go in with just some flexi rods or some rods in general and dip this bad boy in some hot water. I would not necessarily go on any type of heat products as far as like a flat iron or a curling iron, just because I just feel like you're playing with fire. Okay, like literally, like this joint part will burn right up, so we don't want to do all that. So this is what she looks like from the side, and then how she's looking from the back. Okay, and then the other side. Just go ahead and lean back real quick. Now it said it has some special knots in the back, special knotting in the back nape. So maybe that means it gives off like a more natural look if you were to pin it up or something. I mean, I probably wouldn't pin this unit up anyway. I mean, oh, that's a lie. That's a lie. Let me stop. I probably could do a ponytail. Yeah. All them little rod sets you be seeing on YouTube, and they be like, oh, that looks easy. Let me go ahead and try it. But then you try it and it don't look nothing like what they did. So, for $30, you can do it yourself. Okay? Yeah, you see, you curled your hair. Sure did. Sure did. I think this one is a winner. I give it a thumbs up for this one. So let's see how the next one is hitting. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're back. I have Amani here. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail for the same price of $33.95. So we still within that affordable price point for synthetic wigs. Just like Jenna, she does come with the ear-to-ear Swiss lace as well as the Swiss lace part. She also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. For some reason, I feel like this unit fits a lot better than Jenna. I didn't even take off the adjustable straps in the back, and I was able to put this unit on with my wig grip with no issues. So maybe I needed to pull Jenna a little bit more to get her to fit, because this one I feel like fits a lot better. For my ladies who don't want to put the unit behind the hairline, I got you. I did put this unit on with my wig grip, and I do have it directly on my hairline. I went in with some powder in the parting space to kind of blend that in, as you can see, and that is all I did for this unit. This took less work to put down because I did not put it behind my hairline, so Just saying. Now, just like Jenna, this unit does come with natural baby hairs, but because I put Jenna behind my hairline, you couldn't really see them. However, they are out for all to see in this unit right here. Amani is showing off. I actually really like the natural looking hairline that it has because of those natural baby hairs. See how they gave you like the little curly cues? That is exactly how my natural hair looks. So if you wanted to pin this unit up in the front, we could do so. Look at that. Watch. Watch. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline, okay? Natural looking baby hairs to give us a natural hairline. Y'all reading our mind, Jenna collection? Huh? Are you reading our mind? I don't think I mentioned it for Jenna, but the units are human hair blend. They do have a yaki texture. This comes in more of like that loose type of Shirley Temple type of look. This one is also shorter than Jenna, so I really like this one a lot. I think it gives off a very, very effortless type of look. Let me give you guys a side profile because I know you know she look good. She knows she look good, okay? So the side profile is hitting, okay? And then this is what she looks like to the back, okay? Still flowing. Now I would definitely say I would go in and play with this one a little bit more than I would Jenna, just because the curls are a little bit looser and this one is shorter. So the more you play with this one, the bigger it'll get, but it'll shape into the actual cut of the unit. Now I am getting some shedding with this hair. I didn't really pull on Jenna that much, but this one is shedding a lot. I know my girl Brittany had some shedding in Jenna, so be mindful of that. There is some shedding with this unit as I'm pulling on it. I'm not, oh wait a minute. I was about to say not that much, but as I pull on this more and more, I'm getting more and more. God dang. I mean, natural hair sheds anyway. So maybe Jenna collection just trying to stick, you know, with the trend of our natural hair. Like this is definitely a look. And who gonna tell me this not my hair? Huh? Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? How do you get your hair like that? Jesus. You know I ain't playing. You know I'm not playing. Y'all know some of them natural hair care gurus on YouTube be holding on to their natural hair care secrets like it's a key into heaven. Like, girl, just tell me the moisturizer. Oh, that's all I want to know. What's the moisturizer you use? Goodness gracious, my hair breaking off. I'm coming to you for help and you're not even telling me. What you using it for? I'm here to learn. I can't learn from you not saying nothing. Here, Karen, I tell you, it's a wig, okay? It's a wig, Karen. And no, you cannot touch my hair. No. Now I know some of you guys may ask about my shirt. I have worn it on my channel before. This is from Melanated Kin. I do have a code for them. I will put it down below. I'm also doing a giveaway with them right now. We are doing a wigbae bundle. With that bundle, you get a hashtag wigbae sweatshirt, your choice of color, as well as a wigbae pom-pom beanie. One lucky winner will be picked on YouTube. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment. I am a wigbae, and that is all. This giveaway will only be open for one day, so it will close tomorrow at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. All the winners for my giveaways will be announced on Wednesday, so make sure you're aware of that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Definitely let me know down below what your favorite unit is. Shout out to Ebonyline one more time for sending me this unit. Also, shout out to Melanated Kin for collabing with me on the third and final part of my 5K wigbae giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.